Did you know AI is more than just ChatGPT? From enhancing Zoom meetings to Microsoft Office tools, AI is reshaping how we work every day. In our training session, AI in the Workplace, you'll see how AI is transforming productivity, simplifying daily tasks, and elevating collaboration. Watch to discover the tools you already have that can make your workday smoother and more impactful. Missed part of the meeting? Just hit the Catch Me Up button to review highlights and get back up to speed. You can even check if your name was mentioned in the discussion. The AI-powered whiteboard lets you brainstorm effortlessly, creating sticky notes and refreshing content as you go. And with smart recording, you'll find key timestamps and smart chapters to quickly navigate through meeting topics, perfect for reviewing or catching important details. PowerPoint's designer feature offers smart design suggestions to make your slides more impactful. Presenter Coach provides real-time feedback on your speaking style, helping you refine your delivery. Excel's Analyze Data tool lets you uncover insights effortlessly. It can suggest pivot tables and charts, making it easy to visualize your data without needing advanced technical skills. Word's AI-powered editor checks your document for grammar, clarity, and tone, providing real-time suggestions to ensure your writing is clear, professional, and polished. Microsoft Teams is bridging language gaps with real-time translation, allowing you to communicate seamlessly across languages. Teams' recap feature also makes it easy to review meetings with AI-generated summaries, speaker identification, and time-stamped chapters. Catching up or revisiting key points is faster than ever. Microsoft's Copilot brings AI-driven creativity to your fingertips. With just a text prompt, Copilot can generate explanations, analogies, and insights, making complex ideas easier to understand. But it doesn't stop at text. Copilot can even create visuals based on your prompts, giving you options to choose from for presentations, brainstorming, and more. AI is transforming the workplace, and learning to use it wisely is the key to staying ahead. Join us for the full training to dive deeper, discover practical applications, and empower your work with AI.